Hello, welcome for the presentation of the new release 3.40 of Safety Architect. This version introduces the following new features: the compatibility with Capella 131, the import and export generic data, the import of feared events from a CSV file, and the safety security viewpoint is now editable. Okay, let's see in detail each of these new features. First, the compatibility with Capella 131. The compatibility has been maintained for the 3 levels. System analysis, where it is possible to export SAB and SDFB diagrams to Safety Architect. Logical architecture, where LAB and LDFB diagrams are exportable to Safety Architect. And at physical architecture level, PAB and PDFB diagrams can be exported to Safety Architect. Next feature, import and export generic data. This feature simplifies the data exchange with other tools. Here, an example with Cyber Architect. Let's go for a demonstration of the import of generic data. First, select the project. Then, in File menu, select the Import function. In the Import window, choose Generic Data. Then, you have to select the file that contains the generic data to import. The following steps allow to choose the elements that you want to import from the file. Here, for instance, the feared events. Now, the system events. For the failure modes, you have to indicate to which component port the selected failure mode must be associated. The local events must be associated to a component. After this import, the model has been updated. You have to reopen it. Let's check the import of the element. System event, failure mode, and local event have been successfully added in the diagram. And also, the feared event in the library. Now, have a look to the export of generic data. First, select the project. Then, in File menu, select the Export function. In the Export window, choose Generic Data. Next, select the target folder that will receive the exported file. In the current project, select the elements that you want to export. Start with the feared events, then the failure modes, the system events, and finally, the local events. Let's check the exported file. The file has been successfully generated. Next new feature, the import of feared events from a CSV file. Let's see an example of a CSV file which contains feared events. To import them, in the File menu, select the Import function. In the Import window, select feared events from CSV file. Select the CSV file which contains the feared events to import. Select the target project where the feared events will be imported. The feared events have been added in the library. Last new feature, the addition of the safety security viewpoint. Safety security co-engineering is a hot topic. Therefore, Safety Architect supports the conduct of safety security analyses which aim to detect potential interferences between the both concerns. Let's go for a demonstration with a basic example. Right-click on the project. Select the Viewpoint Selection menu, and enable the Safety Security viewpoint. Right-click on a component, and create your safety security diagram by clicking on New. In this demo, we open an existing safety security diagram. With the Safety Security viewpoint, you can describe scenarios that involve safety and security elements. Here, for instance, a security mode is part of a scenario which conducts to a safety failure mode. Thank you for watching. Do not hesitate to visit our website or to contact us for more information. All the related links and contacts are available in the description of this video.